Hey guys, today I'm going to be making my easy pecan milk. It's really simple and I really hope you guys can stick around and see how it is done. For our pecan milk, we're just going to need a really simple set of ingredients, and that is 32 ounces of water. Now, I store my milks, my nut milks, in these jars because I can just shake them up when they're done. So I like to make that exact amount. I find that it works great in this recipe. And we also have 3 tablespoons of pecan pieces that have been soaking overnight. Now you can use more if you want, but I find this is just enough and this keeps it really low fat. We're also going to be using my Ninja blender. Any blender will work. The more high speed, the better and creamier it will be. And like most of my plant milks, I like the pecans because I find that I don't have to strain them. I find if I soak them overnight, they get nice and silky and smooth. And yes, you'll have to shake it before you use it, but I do not strain it. So I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started on this recipe. All we need to do for this recipe is add in our 3 tablespoons of pieces of pecan, and then I like to add in half of my 32 ounces, so about 16 ounces worth. And I'm going to blend that for 1 minute on the high setting of my blender, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the water and do that for another minute. So just 2 minutes and it should be blended perfectly. So I'm going to get started on blending. Awesome. Our plant milk is done. I'm going to go ahead, take this off, move this back, and pour that in so you guys can just see what this looks like. Do this. Absolutely perfect. Like I said, I will throw the lid on it and shake it up before I use it, but this stores in the fridge for a good week. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up and I will see you guys in just a second. Well, that was really it, guys. I hope you saw how simple it can be to make your own plant milk. Whether it's my walnut milk or my cashew milk or this pecan milk, they turn out great and they can be used in a ton of different recipes, just like any store-bought plant milk. I really hope you guys give this one a try. If you do, let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And as always, this recipe video can be found on YouTube and Facebook at Plant-Based Gabriel, and the complete recipe description, way it goes, everything can be found on my website, plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel here with my easy pecan milk, hoping that I will see you very, very soon.